iqoo Z10 5G smartphone. It is available in variants: 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. It is available in colors: glacial silver and stellar black. This smartphone comes in 8GB RAM and 256GB memory storage. It features flagship level, quad curved AMOLED display, reaching up to 5000 nits local peak brightness. Built tough, the Z10 is also military grade certified for durability, combining beauty with resilience. Capture every detail with the 50-megapixel Sony IMX 882-watt camera, record in 4K at 30 FPS, and take stunning selfies with the 32-megapixel wide-angle front camera. Powered by AI, features include AI Erase, AI Photo Enhance, AI Super Documents, AI Note Assist, AI Live Text, and the intuitive circle to search with Google. The fastest processor in the segment, powered by Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 mobile platform, built on a 4nm TSMC process, and delivering an impressive 820K plus Antutu score. It offers 7,300 mAh ultra capacity battery, with 90 watts flash charge technology. Power up in no time and enjoy longer usage without the wait.